Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to run the Hugging Face model Google FLAN-T5 small on Google Colab. FLAN-T5 is a fine-tuned version of the T5 model family. The great part is we can run it easily on CPU without requiring any special GPU setup. Background: Google FLAN-T5 small. The model we are using today is Google FLAN-T5 small from Hugging Face Model Hub. This is the smallest version of the FLAN-T5 family trained by Google. FLAN stands for Fine-Tuned Language Net, and it's an instruction-tuned version of the original T5 model. In simple terms, FLAN-T5 models are really good at following natural instructions like translate English to German or summarize this text. The small version has fewer parameters compared to base, large or XL versions, which makes it lightweight and perfect for running on CPU, even without a GPU. Usage example: running on CPU. On the Hugging Face model page, there's a quick example showing how to run this model on a CPU. Let's take a look at that code. This short snippet loads the tokenizer and model encodes an English sentence asking "How old are you?" and then generates the German translation as the output. On a CPU, this works out of the box, no extra hardware needed. Setup: first, open a new Google Colab notebook. Colab gives you a free environment with Python pre-installed. In a fresh code cell, we'll install the Hugging Face Transformers library if it's not already available. You can do this by typing pip install transformers, run this cell once and wait for the installation to complete. Import the model and tokenizer. Next, we import the required classes from transformers. In our case, we need the T5 tokenizer and T5 for conditional generation. Here's the code. This will automatically download the model and tokenizer from Hugging Face into your Colab environment. Provide an input. Now, let's give the model a task. FLAN-T5 can handle many instructions, but for this example, we'll do a translation from English to German. This converts our text prompt into token IDs that the model can understand. Generate and decode output. Now, we ask the model to generate an output based on our input. When you run this, you'll see the German translation of the phrase "How old are you?" The model's output should look something like "Why alt beast du?" You've just run the FLAN-T5 small model on Google Colab entirely on CPU with just a few lines of code. This same approach works for many Hugging Face models. If you found this helpful, try experimenting with different instructions like summarization or question answering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.